Hey guys, welcome to Career Talks. We are starting a new series of Geography NCERT. So here is the chapter 1 of Class 6 Geography NCERT, and the name of the chapter is The Earth in Solar System. First we will know about the celestial body. The celestial bodies are the object we see in the sky shining like the sun, moon, stars, etc. And then we will know about the solar system. Solar system is also known as the family of the sun, in which sun is the head of the family and uh, other objects revolves around the sun. The solar system consists of sun, planets, moon, asteroids, meteoroids, comets, etc. Here we will know about the head of the family, that is the sun. Sun is made up of extremely hot gases. It pulls and binds solar system together by a force called gravitational force. It is about 150 million kilometer away from the earth, and the sun is also a star. Sun seems to be larger and we can feel the heat of the sun because it is nearer as compared to other stars. Here is a question called, why do stars twinkle? Stars twinkle due to atmospheric refraction. And what is atmospheric refraction? The deviation of light due to the variation of air density is called the atmospheric refraction. Let us understand. Our earth have the atmosphere, and the atmosphere have many layers, such as the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. And the different layers have different densities. When the light of the star passes through these layers and reaches our eyes through the different due to the different density of the different layers, it seems like the star is twinkling. And now we will know about the constellation. The constellation is the group of stars forming patterns. For example, Ursa Major. Saptarshi is the part of Ursa Major, and through Saptarshi we can locate the pole star. In ancient time, when compass was not there, our our ancestor used this pole star to indicate the north direction. Through these two pointer stars of the Saptarshi, they locate the North Star or the pole star. The pole star do not change its place, it remain in the same place. Here is the planet. The planet word came from the Greek word called the planti, which means wanderer. Planets do not have their own heat and light. There are 8 planets in the solar system, and they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The first 4, that is the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, as the inner planets, and the Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are the outer planets. The inner planets are made of rocks, so it is known as the rocky planet, and the outer planets are made of gas, so it is known as the gaseous planet. The inner planets are comparatively smaller than the outer planets. Till 2006, Pluto was also a planet according to IAU, that is the International Astronomical Union. The International Astronomical Union is the International Association of Professional Astronomers. It was founded in 1919 and Its mission is to promote and safeguard the science of astronomy. Now there are 82 member countries in the IAU including India, and the headquarters is in Paris, France. Now Pluto is derived as the dwarf planet. And what is dwarf planet? The celestial body that orbits around the sun, has enough mass, almost round in shape, and not even a satellite. But it hasn't cleared the neighborhood around it, or it doesn't have the orbital dominance. The orbital dominance means when a planet orbits around the sun, it displaces all other celestial bodies which comes in its way, and it do not get disturbed. But when the planet get disturbed due to other celestial bodies and change its path, it is called the dwarf planet. Our Earth is also a planet, and it is the only planet where life is possible. Our Earth is geoid in shape, and it is called the blue planet because 71% of water 71% of water is there, and when seen from the space it looks blue. Now we will study about satellites, the celestial body that moves around the planet in the same way like the planets move around the sun is called satellite. There are two types of satellite. One is the natural satellite and other is the human-made satellite. The natural satellite of Earth is known as Moon. It is 1/4 of the diameter of the Earth, and its rotation and revolution is same, that is 27 days. So we can see only the single side of the Moon from the Earth. The human-made satellite. Human-made satellite has artificial body designed by the scientist. It gathers information of the planet like the communication, weather reports, etc. It is carried by the rockets and orbit around the Earth. For example, GSAT, PSLV, etc. The asteroids. Asteroids are the inactive rocky body which revolves around the sun. It is found in between the Mars and Jupiter where the asteroid belt is present. The comets. Comets are the active body of dust and gases which revolves around the sun, but it is huge as compared to asteroids, and the example is the Halley comet. The Halley comet was last seen in 1986, and we can see the next in 2061. The meteoroids. Meteoroids are the small particles of comet or small size of asteroids which orbit around the sun, and when the meteoroids enter the Earth's atmosphere, it burns and vaporizes due to the friction. It is also known as the shooting star or the meteors. These meteors, when they do not evaporate, when it do not vaporize completely and survives, it falls in the land and forms some craters or hollow surface, and this survival part of meteoroids is called meteorites. And this is the end of the chapter. Thank you.